The Boolean function can be used to find out if an expression or variable is true. As a general rule, everything with a real value is true. This includes both numerical and string data. Anything without a real value is false. Let's take a look at an example. In this script, we have 7 variables declared, b1 to b7. Each variable uses the Boolean function to test whether a specified value is true. Using the getElementById method, we can output the data. Let's take a look at this page in our web browser to see the results. We can see in our browser that all the numbers, including 80, 2.6, -10, are true. The same goes for variable b6, which contained the equation. The strings included in variable b4 and b5 are also true. The last variable, variable b7, which contained the value 0, is false.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.